All right, this is a little bit of extra that I think is fun and maybe help you on the challenge problems. Okay, so let's take a look at the Fibonacci sequence again. Okay, so the A1 equals 1, A2 equals 1, A sub n plus 1 equals A sub n plus A sub n minus 1. That's for n bigger than or equal to 2. Okay, now this is not convergent, definitely. It's divergent. Okay, it's divergent to infinity, obviously, right? Because it's going to keep growing. But let's consider f sub n equals a sub n plus 1 over a sub n. Okay, now this sequence is going to have what we call a fixed point. Normally don't talk about fixed points in Calc 2, so I'm not going to go too in depth into it, but I honestly think it's one of the more fun things that you can learn about. Okay, so it has a fixed point, and so we're going to find it. Okay, so what is a fixed point? A fixed point is a point such that f of x equals x. Okay, so really in this case, what we're really doing is we're just going to say that it does converge to a point. It does converge. Okay, so let's take a look. What we're going to take a look at is we're going to rewrite this thing again. Watch, you'll see what I mean by this. Okay. an plus 1 equals an plus an minus 1, right? Okay. This can be split up into 1 plus a sub n minus 1 over a sub n. But now this, that's right, it is the reciprocal of f sub n minus 1. So really, this equation is the one that has a fixed point. Okay, so let's find it. Okay, so let's say f equals 1 plus 1 over f. So what we're doing is we're saying the input is this and the output is this. But if we have a fixed point, the input and the output are the same. Okay, I should say input and the output are the same. All right, so f squared equals f plus 1. F squared minus f minus 1 equals 0. It's quadratic. Let's solve that using the, that's right if you said quadratic equation. F equals 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 times negative 1 over 2. So f equals 1 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. Now, we don't take the negative 1. The reason we don't take the negative 1 is because an is always bigger than a sub n plus 1 is always bigger than an, and these are all positive numbers. So our fixed point should be positive. And this is what is known as the golden ratio. Okay. It's a number that keeps popping up everywhere in art and science and architecture and everywhere. So basically they say that like if things have proportions that are in with the golden ratio, then that's like beauty. I don't know exactly, but there's plenty of books about it. You know, if you just wanted some light reading on math. Okay. All right. See you all in the next video.